Yo, what is up guys? Welcome to another video, and this review was actually not planned at all. I actually made a video regarding the situation I think a month ago where I talked about the Shattered Backboard 3.0 release, and who would have known that I got a pair anyway. So basically I was in the Manila Sneaker Expo. If you saw the vlog, I'll leave the item card right here. Is it up here or up here? I don't know. Anyway, I copped these. I saw these at the Manila Expo. These were about 10,000 Philippine pesos, or 300 bucks. I could not pass up on this deal, bro. These are crazy. So today we're going to be reviewing the Nike Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG in the Shattered Backboard 3.0 colorway. Now these dropped I think around October 27th for a retail price of 160 USD or 230 AUD. Now as soon as photos of these surfaced the internet, sneakerheads around the world had really mixed feelings about these, because the Shattered Backboard 1.0s and the 2.0s, those were heavy hitters. I think they're going around over $1,000 to $2,000 on the aftermarket of sneakers. So of course you can say that those were well welcomed by OG sneakerheads. Now when these dropped, people obviously had mixed feelings because of the strange materials that they used for the sneaker. Some people really wanted the bread OG color blocking, but just using the starfish orange leather material, but instead Jordan Brand opted to coat it in this crinkly patented leather material. Sneakerheads all around the world didn't really know how to act with these, but nevertheless they dropped, they sold out. Now they're reselling about 300 to 400 bucks, which is why since I copped these for $300 not $300 retail, but since I copped these for $300 when resales usually around 400 to 500, you know, your boy couldn't pass up on these, and I'm really happy that I didn't, because these are pretty dope. Now guys, breaking down this sneaker, as soon as you take it out of the box, what catches your eye most is the vibrant orange, which they're coining starfish colored, and of course the coated patented leather that's coating the shoe. Other than the different materials that they're using for their sneaker, nothing's really changed with the Jordan 1. Obviously you have that nice high cut, but the thing is, little details that I've noticed is the lining around the shoe is really nice. It's like this soft plush neoprene material, whereas usually on other OG Jordan 1s you can see these ventilated mesh material, but these, I really love the plushness of the lining around the sneaker. Now of course around the tongue area you have the same base nylon tongue. You have the Nike Air branding in the same starfish orange. Now with the lacing is just standard flat black laces. I really wish that they could have done something like they did with the Travis Scott Air Jordan 1s with putting waxed laces. I think it would really match the shininess of this sneaker, but I guess they don't want to overdo it, so that's why they opted for standard flat black laces. Coming around to the outsole and the midsole. The outsole and the midsole is in this nice cream, and I really like how it's really constant. It doesn't really change tones throughout the transitions between the midsole and the outsole. It's really constant, and it's something different, and a color that a lot of people have been wanting to see on the Air Jordan 1. I really like how they didn't opt for a standard white midsole. I feel like that could be considered really generic and really basic, and you don't really want to put basic with the sneaker, as it's really different, intricate, and really extraordinary, really. So I really like how they decided to adopt the strange quirkiness of the sneaker and match it with the same quirky extraordinary outsole. So as with what to wear with the sneaker, I'd really keep the outfit sort of, I say this a lot but it's so true, just complement the sneaker, because this sneaker will stand out on its own. For real guys, this just screams fall vibes to me. I'm gonna be rocking these around autumn when the tree is all orange, bro. All the leaves are just hit it with a vibe, bro. Just with some, I don't know, what would you wear with these? Probably some light denim. No, I'll probably just wear some black trousers with these, honestly. Like I wouldn't want to keep the colors like crazy, you know what I'm saying? But I'm really into the sort of mixed match vibe. So since these are orange, let's put up color wheel right here. What's on the opposite side of orange? And that will be blue, so I'm going to be rocking some blue t-shirts with these. Does it work? Does it work? I don't know, because the thing is with the Royals, obviously the Royals are in this blue color, so for the top I'll be rocking an orange t-shirt, so I feel like that would be really cool as well. I've been really into doing those. I feel like that's sort of the vibe that 2019 gave to me for fashion. It's sort of like not matching your top to your sneakers perfectly. I feel like that's so old. So I think that was popular around 2016 with the human races coming out in those vibrant colors. Everybody just wanted to match the red with the red and all that. But yeah, for me, it's just going on the opposite side of the color wheel. That's what I've been feeling with my fashion lately. So anyway guys, sorry for the late review. I just sort of wanted to actually review the sneaker properly, because I did throw up a review right there. There's me reviewing the sneaker. Shout out to Sean Go on YouTube for supplying me with some clips to start off. I'm actually using some of his clips right now to try and just, you know, match the vibe over here. So anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this review. I'm gonna have some on-feet photos, on-feet videos and all that. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a like and comment down below if you still think that these are the Air Jordan 1, are the best Air Jordan 1 release of the year. I really think it's a tough contender, because the thing is, these really stepped out of people's zones. Something that Jordan Brand hasn't done. It's so unique. I love it. And definitely one of my top 3 pickups of the whole entire year. And that's tough, because I did pick up a lot of cool shoes. So anyway guys, that wraps up this video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you soon. Peace. Actually it doesn't fit. Well.